what it do? Today, I got something for the Wasabians because it is almost summertime, okay? It's hot and you guys do so much for me, so I thought I would give back and give you some summer treats. I teamed up once again with bombpop. If you want to find out more about bombpop, click the link in the description below and you can find the original bombpop at your local grocery store. So like sneak that thing in your mom's grocery cart when she's not looking, because it's on that good. This is what we about to do today. I got an ice cream truck. Where are my helpers at? They will be in the bombpop ice cream truck passing out these ice cream treats to my friends slash viewers slash supporters slash Wasabians. I think it's gonna get too crazy, but you never know with these kind of things. Let's get started. Do they look ready to you? I don't think they look ready.
I was born ready.
You guys got your seatbelts on? Thank you. Ooh, this is the best idea I've ever had. Oh, I see some Wasabians! Hello, everybody! We're coming! Woohoo! I just told them about it yesterday, so I'm glad they showed up. Because I was like, oh, they're not gonna make it. I got it. Ah! Hey, don't do that! I got you guys something, and it's delicious. Follow me. Come on. Oh wait, Come on. Yeah. Is it a hot summer day? It's so big. That's for you. Bombpop for you. That's for you. Bombpop for you. Have you guys ever had these? They're delicious. Trust me. There you go. Thank you, sir.
What would you like?
Me?
Yeah, I want you.
Oh. I didn't know I was on the menu. Now we can take pictures. I know that's what you guys want. You wanna go first? Okay. You wanna go first? Oh, and there's no room. Oh, thank you. How are you? Andrew, let me see your shirt. Okay, we can open this. They want to see your cute face. Come on! Get out of here! No. Hey! You're embarrassing me! Hold on, I got it. Don't worry. I'll be right back. Oh! Come on! Andrew! He's too shy. Maybe later. Ready? No problem. Hi.
Hi.
Oh. Come here. It's free. It's free. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. What's your name? Alejandra. Happy birthday to you.
Yeah?
Good.
I have an open challenge for you.
Okay.
I challenge you. You pick the place, and I challenge you to a one-on-one basketball game. One-on-one.
Oh, I'll beat you right now.
Open challenge right now.
What? You don't know what you're doing right now, boy.
No,
You're not ready for this. Okay. Wow, I just got challenged in my face.
Okay, you're fine.
Come over here. We're gonna take a picture facing that way. Got it. Okay. I'm stepping on the court now. Are you sure you want these? You want this to happen? And if you win, guess what you get? Bomb pop. Okay. What you got? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh! 1-0. Do you guys believe in me? Yeah. Okay. Didn't sound very close. Oh, I got the rock. Oh. Okay, one more time.
One more?
Rematch. Hey, I didn't know I had to get serious. Oh, wait, I gotta tie my shoe. I'm losing. Okay. Oh, good. One. Oh, no. Is that thing again? No! I lost again! Okay, I quit. You win. You can have my YouTube channel. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you guys all so much for coming to my little meet and greet. It was dope. Sorry I didn't give you a far in advance notice that it was gonna go down, but next time I'm gonna hook you up. I'm going to make sure that you all know, and we gonna get kind of crazy. It was so much fun hanging out with you guys and hooking you guys up with bombpop galore, throwing them out like bow, bow, bow. It was super dope until Johnny showed up. Thing is, I was unaware that today I was gonna make an arch enemy. His face haunts me every time I close my eyes. How was I supposed to know he was gonna be that good at basketball? I was unprepared. All I kept seeing was him making shot after shot after shot. Swish, swish, swish. Why? Johnny, why? In front of my Wassabians too? Come on! I didn't stretch. I didn't have time to warm up. I didn't have my lucky basketball shoes on. So there's that. How was I supposed to know that somebody that should be in the NBA was gonna show up and destroy me in front of everybody at my meet and greet? It was unforeseeable. He was just so fast and agile and muscular. I had no chance. No chance. I trained my whole life for the moment I was gonna be challenged in public, in front of an audience, and I failed. But don't worry, I'm going to train every day for the rest of my life until I meet Johnny once again, and I will have my rematch and revenge. Mark my words. I will never lose in basketball ever again. I don't care if it's against my friends, my brother, a pickup game, the next Ace Family charity game, Kawhi Leonard. That last one might be a little tough, but I'ma still win because it doesn't matter. I'm going to redeem myself and be the best player on this earth. That's all I got for you guys today. Thanks for coming out and showing your support and showing your love. It was so much fun. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and Twitter because when I do another meet and greet, that's probably where it's gonna go first, but I will be mentioning it in the vlog. Subscribe, notification bell on, like this video, and make sure to come back Friday because we got a little crazy on Friday. You're gonna wanna be here. You're gonna wanna see it, trust me. Until then, do me a favor, don't forget to remember, if you're not smiling, you're doing it wrong. Okay, bye.